Gamma ray bursts. Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside and feeling an eerie silence. No birds chirping, no wind, just an unsettling stillness. Then, in an instant, a blinding flash erupts in the sky. You don't hear a sound, but in that moment, the fate of Earth is sealed. You've just witnessed a gamma ray burst, one of the most violent and deadly phenomena in the universe. Gamma ray bursts are cosmic death rays, unleashed when massive stars collapse into black holes or when neutron stars violently merge. These bursts can release more energy in a few seconds than the sun will in its entire lifetime. If a GRB were to occur in our galactic neighborhood and was aimed directly at Earth, it would be like setting off 1 billion nuclear bombs. But instead of an explosion, the danger comes from invisible radiation. The first thing it would do is strip away our ozone layer, the only thing protecting us from deadly space radiation. Without it, ultraviolet rays from the sun would scorch the planet, leading to mass extinctions. Plants would wither, animals would die, and humans, well, let's just say sunscreen won't save you. Scientists believe that a past gamma ray burst may have caused a mass extinction event on Earth hundreds of millions of years ago. The scariest part? We wouldn't even see it coming. It would travel at the speed of light, and by the time we noticed it, it'd already be over.